the specialty product. Now's the time. It is officially released and it's extremely limited supply. Are you guys ready? The brand new product is, guys, today is the day. We're gonna be unboxing these packages and I have a few announcements as we're unboxing this. Which one should we get started with first? We'll do the box first. All right, we're gonna do the box first. And one of these has a new product in it and I'm excited to open this knife that we're gonna be using. First box. I packaged this. I think it would be easy for me to unpackage. Time to open. What's in the box? Got some packing peanuts. You guys can already tell what it is. What is it? What's back in stock? It's back in stock. It's back in stock, guys. I don't even know why you're still watching this video. I mean, you could go and get this right now. So many people are like, dude, when's the locking gel gonna get back in stock? And it's back in stock. All right, the locking gel is back in stock. It is, for everyone who is new, a vegan product. So you can see right there, it's a vegan product. It has all the ingredients on the back right here. And it has, obviously you can get it at greatlocks.com. As a locking gel, it comes to 8 ounces. It is a maximum hold gel, so you don't have to use that much of the product. This can literally last you an entire year. Me and Kellen actually share our locking gel, and we've had it for as long as we've been selling the gels. Literally, and we still have some left and haven't ran out, so that's pretty wild. But that just goes to show. There's some directions on the back for you guys as well on how you can use this product for the best results, and it's literally just a little bit every single time. But the locking gel is back, and I'm excited, man. We kind of have this little theme going on, and it's kind of mixed in with our summer packaging with the purple right there. But we're doing this like white label theme, so like all the packaging is like really white and basic and very clean. But yeah, guys, the locking gel is back in stock, and I'm so excited because people have been asking for it. We sold out extremely fast last time, faster than I thought. That's why it was out of stock for such a long time. But can't go wrong with some locking gel. Let me set this back here for you guys. Bop. And then we have like all of everything getting ready to ship out once all the orders are made. And guys, I'm excited. All right, what's next? All right, we're going to unbox. This is the new product. This is the new reveal. I'm not gonna show this one quite yet, so just hold your horses, okay? Just be patient. This is gonna be the last one we open up. All right. We have this one right here. Let's open this one. I personally know what these are, but I want you guys to see. This one I'm gonna just open just like this, I think. I've actually never opened these. Like actually, that's kind of weird now that I'm thinking about it. But all right, let's cut it. See if we can get some ASMR on here. All right, what is in package number 2? We have the Relentless, the best tool to ever use on your dreadlocks to either maintain them or create them. The Dreadlock crochet hook. See if I can get that focus for you guys. This is a 0.75 millimeter crochet hook. A lot of people ask, why don't we sell the 0.5 anymore? There's multiple reasons why we don't do 0.5 and we stick to the 0.75. 0.75 actually gets the job done a little bit better because it grabs the hair more, because it has a larger hook on it. And it works for not only tight curls, which that's for the 0.5 comes into play, but this one works for tight curls all the way down to straight hair. So it is more versatile, and that's why we have it as a 0.75 versus a 0.5. There's not a huge difference, but that is the difference between the two. We find that this tool is more effective. We tested both of them, and we've tested all these products to make sure that they're the best for every single hair type. That's why we love this tool. That's why, guys, this is like my baby when it comes to products. And all the products that I'm opening in today's video are linked down below, and these are all Dreadlock products that can either, like I said, maintain or make dreadlocks. this is the best tool if you want to make instant dreadlocks. There are tutorials linked down below, and like I said, all the products are linked down below. And we just did a really huge restock, and I'm really excited for it. All right, guys, next package. Let's get into it. What are we gonna get? Like, I can't even speak. What are we gonna get into? All right, yeah, all right. Here we go. What's in package number? You guys probably already know if you're already been shopping on greatlocks.com. But I've never done an unboxing of my stuff. I don't know. I've never done this. Like, sometimes I'll show you guys the products that we got going on. This one is kind of the same. So you got your crochet hook standard, like I said, 0.75. And if you guys want a 0.5 back in the mix, I didn't think there was that big of a difference. Besides, this one's more versatile and works for just about every hair type. But if you guys personally want a 0.5 on greatlocks.com, we can do that. But I feel like this one's the best because it's the strongest, because it's thicker metal, and there's just a lot of benefits that come from it. And the secondary product in this isn't just the crochet hook. This is the actual locking bundle that comes with the Greatlocks interlock tool. This is a solid root maintenance tool. It has a curve to it. I'm trying to show you guys this. I don't like doing this, but sometimes you have to. It has a curve to it. The curve is made so that it's easier to go in and get your roots perfect. All right. Can never fail with this tool. All right. That is the bundle on greatlocks.com as well, restocked as well. And guys, we have, as far as like crochet hooks and bundles, we got a ton of that. Now this next product, the specialty product, we had this in stock and it's been tested and we proved it. And that's just one thing that we really, I want to say pride ourselves in, but we make sure that we really do this when we get products in on greatlocks.com. And if we're going to release it, like when it came to locking gel, we had it for a while until we released it. And same with this product. I think we got this product for testing and proving all the way back in, I honestly don't even know, but it's been at least 4 to maybe 5 months of this. Well, actually, realistically, the initial thought and when we wanted to release this was actually maybe a year or close to even, I want to say 2 years, but for sure a year ago. But now's the time. It is officially released and it's extremely limited supply because it's the first launch and we always just got to track the analytics and everything like that. But the first launch of a new product. Man, it feels good, guys. Let's see what we got. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The brand new product released on greatlocks.com is what has been requested. The double crochet hook. Woohoo! Guys, it is here. This is an extremely limited supply though. So if you want this and you want to show love and actually not only just show love, but show love to yourself and double down on the work. The thing I love about the double crochet hook, it's just like the crochet hook, just about. So you guys can see the differences here. You obviously got your, just focus on tools, guys. Here we go, perfect. So you have your double and you have your single. When you're using the single crochet hook, you're getting whatever the single crochet hook can get done, right? But when it comes to using the double, it speeds up the process by twice amount, or it doubles up the speed of you accomplishing your look. If you want to do instant locks, it can speed up twice as much because you have 2 crochet hooks. This is the new product, guys. I've been so excited about this, and it's literally been sitting here, and I'm like, I want this to be out already, but we have to go through this entire process to get it out for you guys, and it's finally here. My second child. That's kind of interesting. I actually came out with the crochet hook when I had my actual child, my daughter. Obviously my wife had her, but we came up with that product, and then after we just had my boy, we came up with another product, and the locking gel is back in stock. It can't get much better than that. It's like Christmas in August, back to school, Christmas time. But yeah, guys, everything is back in stock. Everything is ready for you guys. And there's a few updates, okay? I'm going to show you guys a few updates that we got going on right now. So if we go over to greatlocks.com, sorry, I'm in all caps right now. But we're going to head over here. Boom! You're greeted with the Great Locks locking gel. And it's Dreadlock's made it easy for everyone. You can click right here to shop now if you'd like. Obviously, all this is all the same on the website as well. But look right there, guys. You got the double crochet hook. Man, it just looks pretty right there, doesn't it? And, of course, right behind my head, you guys got the locking gel right there. It's back in stock, guys. Get it while it's hot. So many people are a little too slow when it comes to actually getting the locking gel. So make sure you get it now. I'm really excited that it's back, but I think I'm a little bit more excited about the double crochet hook. The locking bundle obviously is back in stock, and then you still have the Great Locks Academy, which we haven't fully released. I really wanted to release the Great Locks Academy today, but there's still a little bit of tweaking that we need to do and to make sure that it's perfect for you guys. I really wanted to do that, but we didn't release it today. Sorry. But you got the interlock tool, you have your crochet hook, just a whole bunch of cool stuff on here, guys. You got like I said, you can click shop now. It's very just user friendly, just very user friendly. But we did do a little bit of updates, updated some like kind of aesthetics and things like that. And also, you can always go to greatlocks.com and get in touch with us. If you have any questions or whatsoever about classes or products or anything like that, you can always get in touch with us. If you're interested in any schools, you could become a certified loctician through greatlocks.com and become a certified Great Locks loctician. That's the cool thing about it. This is what I was mentioning earlier, the Great Locks Academy that isn't available quite yet, but we're getting there. We are so close. We're right around the corner. And I wouldn't be surprised if it's not out this month, but you guys can see that it's coming soon. The most popular one is the Great Locks Masterclass, just because you get the free products with it as well. And I really like the Dreadlock School, and I feel like a lot of you guys enjoy the Dreadlock School as well, because it's more just to learn, almost just for yourself. Although you can become a certified loctician through the Dreadlock School, you just don't get the products with it. And man, yo, I'm just stoked. I'm so happy. You know, I'm going to tell you a little backstory. Right now, it's actually about to be 3 o'clock in the morning just because we're getting everything ready for this launch. And, yo, I'm just so overwhelmed and just excited of how everything has turned out realistically. Like, greatlocks.com was just an idea, and then I kind of sat on it for a really long time. And my wife was like, yo, you should sell products online. You do dreadlock videos, you have a great understanding of dreadlocks, and you've literally reached over, I think it's 10 million people on teaching them how to get dreadlocks. And it's realistically more than 10 million. I'm kind of under exaggerating with the 10 million because I looked at the numbers and I was like, wow, over this amount. But we'll say 10 million, okay? But all these things, and then my wife was like, you should do it. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it out. And then I started it, and to see that it started out obviously a little slow, but I'm that type of person that's not going to despise small beginnings. Thank you, God. But to see how far it's came and to see all the excitement and the hype that has built up around it, I don't even know why I said around it. I don't know how the T got in around. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. It means the world to me. But you guys can go get your products now on greatlocks.com. The link is down below. And just a huge thank you. And please, guys, get the locking gel now while it's in stock. And don't email greatlocks.com later saying, why is the locking gel out of stock? Or why is it not in? You can get it now. Thank you guys so much. This is just a huge hug from me to you. Thank you. I've been having a blast just getting this all prepared for you guys. That's why I stayed up really late to make this and even film this video. And thank you. That's why it's really dark in the background, because it's literally nighttime and I need to go inside and go to sleep. Tomorrow is my rest day and it's my off day. So I'm just going to sit back and then watch all your guys' orders come in, and then we're going to get them all out for you guys so that you have all your products. And I'm just excited for everyone to have them. This is our third or fourth launch on the locking gel, I think. Bro, thank you guys. Do you need products for your dreadlocks? Greatlocks.com has everything you need. Click the link down below to go to greatlocks.com in order to get the products that you need in order to make your dreadlocks look great.